I don't think of it as a background music, because background music is something people don't pay attention to. We want guests to get curious, to get the feeling of discovering something new.
Music matters so much to us as a brand because, I mean, it's the third person in every conversation in the hotel. It's not overpowering, but it's never absent. It's always there, it's always present, you always feel it.
So as a music director, I'm overseeing the musical DNA of the brand, constantly discovering, it's digging through records, it's talking to other artists. And that's how we approach the whole concept of the brand.
Design for W always tells a story. So each of our hotels has a narrative. It reinterprets the location, and each moment has that soundtrack to it it can't exist without that music behind it. So when we heard about Soundtrack, I was so excited because it was the music system that we had always wanted, but it never existed yet. You know, from the olden days when you would put an SD card into a machine, Soundtrack is really the connective tissue now. And that's a huge benefit for us, but also really for our guests. We have 55 hotels around the world. All of a sudden, we have the platform to be able to curate on a local level, but on a global scale. That's like the exciting thing about Soundtrack to me.
It's very inspiring. It fits our vision, curating all the playlists that you hear in public spaces everywhere you walk at W. I see the response. It enhances the experience at W.
Soundtrack actually helps us pay the artists for every song that we play, which is super exciting because when you think about the relationships we have across the music industry, how could we possibly do it any other way if doing it this way exists?